Hello guys, it's Danita. I'm here today to do a Glam 4th of July DIY collab 2018 with the collab hosted by Beverly's Design Time, Lissa at Green Crystal Rose, and Denise at Dazzling Designs by Denise. The playlist will be pinned as well. I'm going to need the scissors, the wire cutters. We'll need the hot glue gun. We'll need a vase from the Dollar Tree, a candlestick holder also from the Dollar Tree, a bling wrap, painter's tape, red, white, and blue paint that I picked up from Wal-Mart, and a star garland that I picked up from Dollar Tree as well. So we'll also need red, white, and blue roses. And again, this is showing the candle stick holder, the foam that I picked up from Dollar Tree. So with the vase, we'll clean the sticker off the bottom. I used alcohol and a cotton swab and removed the tag from the bottom to start this project. And what I ended up doing was going ahead and just setting the vase on the cotton swab to let it soak a little bit so it could come on off. And that's just because I didn't want, when I glue the candlestick on later, it'll have a clean base to it. So I was making sure we got that glue off the bottom of it. And then next, what I'll do is I'll grab my painter's tape and mark off my design on the vase. And I'm gonna do it in a diagonal, so I'll make sure it's smooth and placed where I like it. And again, I'm going to do this at an angle. And I'll add a little piece at the top to make sure that corner is covered as well. And then I'll take another piece for the other side to finish off the taping. And I'll end up with two different sides to paint. Again, I'll place this second piece just to make just to divide the two sides and make the design that I desire. And while I'm doing that, I have this channel, Danita Albert Wade channel, that I do arts and crafts on, along with the Dollar Tree hauls. So I hope you'll take a look at some of my other crafts that I've made and those that I'll be doing in the future. So I'll be coloring the top portion red, the bottom portion blue, and I was going to do the middle portion where the tape is white, but it ended up that wasn't going to work out, so I didn't do that, but you'll see that in the end. So yeah, so I'll just start with the red. And I used one of my plates that I had to place the paint in as I'm painting. I also have another channel called Toots615, Toots 615, if you'd like to take a look at that one too. That's more of a hair tutorial and lifestyle channel. But again, I've used my sponge brushes for this, and I'll do the top portion red, and I'll brush up away from the painter's tape so that it doesn't go on the inside. So this is the finished product. The red's on the top, the blue's on the bottom. So I'll take that tape off. I think I added about 2 or 3 coats to make sure we were covering that glass pretty much. The next time I'm going to use some gesso primer for glass. But there's with the tape off, and I've begun to add the bling already. I'll show you how I did the bling on one of the other lines so you can see how I did that, but I'm outlining the colors with the bling, leaving the clear in the middle. Instead of painting it white, I'm going to leave it clear. So I used my bling that I picked up from Dollar General, and I'll cut that. Now this is already, they're strips, so I like that so that you can get it done quicker instead of having individual gems. These come in a strip, so I just cut that to size and placed it along the blue line. And then I'll just add another strip to it and finish that up. So here's what it's looking like so far. That's a little up close, so I'll finish the other side and come back. Now next I'll work on the flowers, and what I'll do is I'll cut the flowers, and I'll leave a little bit of a stem so that I can maneuver the in the foam. So yeah, I'm leaving a little bit of a stem there, as you can see. So I'll cut the plastic part, and then it's easier to break off. I use my wire cutters also, but I found out that it was easier to use the scissors. So now I'm placing them in the foam, arranging them, mixing the colors red, white, and blue. Just pushing them in together, put them close together. You can see a little bit there. So then I'm finished. I'm going to go ahead and put that on the vase and see how it looks. And then I'll add the garland there, but then I'm gonna go ahead and add my candlestick to make it a little taller, to stand a little taller. Yep, and I'll hot glue that on there off camera. But there you have it, guys. I hope you like it. I'll show you in a bit the set on my fireplace. And here it is. I hope you enjoy it. Please like and subscribe, and check out my other videos and my other channels. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.